Hey guys, I'm finally back to using my Hero 7 white again. It's been a little while since I last visited this place. It's actually a little bit lighter out than before. We got a Ream Classic here again. I missed my chance last summer. Oh, this thing actually has been running. So unit's running this time. So the tabletop has been uninstalled, has been taken out. Here's its line right here. I think a new unit might be coming in here soon. We'll see. But yeah, here's the Lennox. Here's the Lennox Elite Odyssey running. This unit was not running last time, so I'm just filming it now. I got my flashlight here so I can... I can't tell if it's a heat pump or not, but yeah. (2018) 7.5 ton. That's very cold and sweaty. We got a little brine over here. York. It looks like something was also there before, but it's gone. So yeah, this is probably a new unit here. But yeah, I should have came here last summer. I keep just getting told, and I keep like just end up doing other things other than summer stuff, and I'm sorry that I do this and I just wait until it's not even summer anymore and then I finally think about it. I just don't think about my channel like that. And also get ready for an upcoming break. I'm going to stop posting once 2025 starts. And I'm going to take that break, and that break will continue until till next summer. So basically all of the winter and spring is going to be done, so you're not really going to have much of a heating season. So there's not going to be much of a heating season this year, and there's going to be no start of cooling season. The start of the cooling season is going to be the summer. So that's all. But yeah. Thank you for watching, and over and out.